Hi guys, what's up? I'm sorry we haven't uploaded any videos for a time, but I was busy through moving the channel activity from Egypt to Dubai. So today I'll show you how to download any movie or song from the YouTube without programs in less than 1 second. So open any video. I will open this one, whatever. Now go to the link and after www write here ss and then enter. It will take you to this site. So don't worry about the ads. All of these are ads, so just you'll click download, choose the pixels, some videos are HD, and then download. Now it will start downloading, and here it is. I know it's slow, but that's because I'm downloading another video at the moment. So now it will download, and then we will join it. So until it finish, we can go through our website and see any news. Of course, you know guys, the website abdo.sarari8.net. So the video is done, and this is the website. Whatever. Now the video, where is it gonna be downloaded? It will be in that downloads. So open the downloads now, and this is the video. It's full.
Created using.
Okay, and you can take it wherever you want, of course. So that is how you'll download anything from the YouTube in less than 1 minute. Don't forget guys to connect us, and if you want to create your own website without programming, just by rowing, go to our website and then web service. So see you guys in another amazing